RBI's big step. Government crypto is coming. Paperless notes. Friends, India, the country that created history with UPI, is now gearing up for another major leap. Yes, India is planning to launch a paperless digital currency, and this announcement didn't come from any rumor. It came directly from Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal himself. He revealed that this new digital currency will be introduced very soon, and it will be very similar to the stable coins used in the United States. He called it a historic step for India, a move that will reduce paper consumption and make transactions faster and simpler for everyone. So basically, the Indian government is preparing for a new kind of note. What exactly is this paperless note? How will it be exchanged? How does it work? How can common people use it? Is it safe? And how is it different from the UPI or Google Pay, Phone Pay, all these kind of UPI transactions we already do? We will explain everything clearly in this today's video, so please don't skip till the very end. RBI's digital currency. Friends, during his visit to Doha, Qatar, for trade talks, Piyush Goyal made this huge announcement there. He said India will soon launch its own digital currency backed by the Reserve Bank of India, and he even explained how it will work. According to him, we are not encouraging private cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or other currencies, but we are introducing a new kind of government-backed digital currency. We haven't banned crypto, that is true, but we also don't support currencies that don't have any underlying asset or official backing. People can buy or ignore crypto at their own risk, but the government's only role there is taxation. But now, he said, India is thinking differently. We are bringing a government-regulated digital cryptocurrency instead of private cryptocurrencies. He added that it will be launched soon and it will be completely safe. It will reduce the use of paper and will work just like traditional money, except that it will exist in electronic form. It will be monitored by the Reserve Bank of India and transactions will happen faster than through regular banks. He also mentioned it is similar to America's stable coins and can be used effectively. And the best part is, it will be easy as using physical money, just that it will exist in a digital format and every transaction will be transparent. So, with this move, India is now joining the list of countries that are introducing central bank digital currencies. So, what exactly is a digital currency? Friends, these are issued by country's central bank and are known globally as central bank digital currencies or CBDCs. In India, the exact model is yet to be finalized, but generally speaking, this works very differently from the digital payments we already use. Let's break it down. Right now, how do we make payments? If it is cash, you give money physically. If it is digital, you use Phone Pay, Google Pay, etc. You see numbers go plus in one account, minus in another. Numbers change, but no actual currency moves. It is just a record of transaction in digital payments today. But this new digital currency changes that. Here, it will be real money, but in electronic form, not paper. For example, when you send someone digital rupees, you are not just sending a number, you are sending a digital token or a digital voucher or even a QR code like element that represents actual value. This is also very different from current digital payments. Right now, every digital transaction goes through a third party, like your bank or payments app. They verify whether you have the funds and then process the transfer request. But here in the Digital Rupee system, the new cryptocurrency RBI introducing, no third party is required. In fact, you won't even need a bank account to hold it. But wait, don't misunderstand. This money will still be issued through banks, like cash notes, and these will be backed by the RBI. But instead of payment apps, you will store this currency directly in RBI's own digital wallet. Just like how you keep physical cash in your purse, or wallet, or pocket, you will keep this money in your digital wallet app on your phone. And there is more. No KYC hassles, no server downtime, and there is no dependency on internet connectivity as well for small offline transfers. It will be as simple as handing cash directly. It is like transferring money in a digital form, not sending numbers. It is like you have a file on your phone, you're copying it to another device without internet. You can transfer, right? Files. It is that way. Does the value change? This is the obvious question. If it is paperless, will its value fluctuate like Bitcoin? Answer is no. This is not private crypto and no bidding happens everywhere. I will pay this, give me that coin. No. Unlike crypto coins, the digital rupees value will not change. If you have 1000 rupees in your wallet, that is 1000 rupees in digital form too. Its value will be identical to the physical cash. Is it safe? That is the next big question. Is it safe? According to the Commerce Minister, absolutely. Since it is issued and monitored directly by the RBI, the government says the entire system will be transparent and secure. The blockchain used for these transactions will also be controlled by the RBI itself. So theoretically, yes, it is safe. Why is the government doing this? Well, there is a practical reason too. Printing and maintaining paper currency costs India around 6,000 crore rupees or $720 million per year, and that cost rises by about 20 to 25% annually. That's a big burden. So this digital move also saves massive taxpayer money and resources. And it may also help government to curb black economy, because even if it is a crypto mechanism they are introducing this new currency with, if government wants, they can always make sure that every transaction leaves a digital footprint. What about other countries? As of now, around 134 countries are exploring or developing their own central bank digital currencies. And since 2023, this progress has only accelerated. For example, China already has its own digital currency, which is renminbi. The Bahamas, they use sand dollar, and Eastern Caribbean countries have Dcash. Nigeria has e-Naira, Jamaica has Jamdex, Russia has its digital ruble, and both Brazil and European Union are working on theirs too. But interestingly, the United States isn't interested in government-backed official crypto dollar. At least not yet. In February 2025, the US Congress actually passed a bill banning the rollout of CBDC. What are their concerns? Privacy issue, too much of centralization, and potential disruption to the banking system, they claim. It is the same kind of fear America has about electronic voting machines, fear of control and misuse. But India, after the massive success of UPI, is moving ahead aggressively with this idea. Now the big question is, what happens next? Will this digital rupee become India's next big revolution, just like UPI once was? Or will it raise new questions about control, privacy and freedom? Only time will tell. But now you can tell what you think on this. Please let us know your thoughts on the comment section below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and especially please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Let's meet again. Keep looking for better. Namaste.